Hello guys, this is Azhar Ahmad and today I am bringing you the new video, and in this video I am going to tell you about the machine learning model which I have built recently, and just now I am giving you the glimpse for the model, and I am going to tell you how it is look like and what exactly this model do the function and how it is going to predict. Okay, so in this video I am going to tell about the model, and this is regarding the incoming calls predictor. Have seen many times that in the call center when you call to them and they have the long queue for waiting, and some of them are offering the callback option. So what exactly it impacts on the customer? You know that this will impact very harsh, because on that time we want to speak to the call center and we would like to resolve our issue as soon as possible, because on that time we are in a hurry. Maybe for the banks you need instant solution, you need to talk quickly regarding the cash if it is not take out from the machine, or the card is stuck in the machine or something. There are too many reasons for it, so we need the instant talk with them. But in that scenario, when we call to them, they usually have a long queue for waiting, and some of them are offering the callback functions. The same goes to the telecom sector, and for the other sectors like in the government, you can see. So this is how you're going to like predict for your incoming calls, and you can utilize the resources for the predicted time and for the day, how much will be the time. So with this model you are going to handle the calls. You can predict for the future calls, when it is becoming, how it will be coming. This is only happen due to the data, because we take the data from the call center, and in this model I got the data from the call center, and here I have make a model for them, so that in case the data can itself take out the predictions for the previous years, for the previous days, for the previous months. From that, it's going to give you the prediction that on that day and on what time, what will be the incoming calls ratio. So management can take the decision for managing the staff on that time period, so there will be no long queues on that particular time, and you need to serve your customers very efficiently. Okay, so how it is look like, this model I have created on the machine learning. So here I am giving the hours. Let's suppose I am going to give the, let's suppose the 13th hour in the PM, and I'm mentioning 13. And on the day, I'm selecting the day, let's suppose the third day of the week, and I'm selecting, let's suppose the June month 6, and the day of the week will start from, okay, I'm selecting 0, and let's predict. So it is showing the output is 1745. Okay, so this is how the prediction model works, and it will show that how much will be the incoming calls expected on this hour and in this date and in this month. So this is only happened due to the previous data which we have taken, and we have our train the model, machine learning model, and make it happen to predict the results for that day. Okay, so this is exactly how it is work. This model I have made, and this is for one of my client, and I will shortly share with you the codes, and will let you know how exactly it is work and what is the uh, functions behind running in it. I made this on the Streamlit, and because I would like to show my model to everyone. So Streamlit is the best platform to showcase your project, and here I have showcased my project and delivered it to my client. So this is how it looked like in the small, and gives all the information related to the project. That's all for this time, and for next time, for next upcoming videos, I'm going to make the machine learning models. So stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe my channel, like this video, and also see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.